Did you know that the rock layers in the Grand Canyon provide strong evidence for the biblical flood? The Grand Canyon, with its distinctive layers exposed in the canyon walls, has been carved through a high plateau. However, if we follow the layers into the eastern part of Arizona, we see the same rock units about a mile lower in elevation. In this area, we see significant folding of the layers. According to conventional geology, this uplift and folding occurred long after the sediments had hardened into rock, so it should have caused significant fracturing of the rocks. But this is not what we find. Instead, it appears that the layers, which supposedly represent 300 million years of Earth history, have undergone plastic deformation without fracturing. This suggests the sediments were soft and unconsolidated when they bent. This contradicts evolutionary Earth history, but it fits nicely with the layers forming during the biblical flood and being bent before they had become hard rock.
To find out more from Creation Ministries International, visit our website, creation.com.